In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the datetime formatter in Zapier. Perfect for beginners. The datetime formatter is a powerful tool that helps you automate tasks by manipulating date and time data in your workflows. Whether you need to reformat a date or calculate the difference between two dates, this tutorial will guide you through the basics. So, let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a fantastic tool that lets you automate repetitive tasks without writing any code, making it essential for boosting productivity and efficiency in your projects. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zapier home. From here, click on Zaps to access your library of Zaps. Zaps are automated workflows that connect your apps and services. They are the fundamental building blocks in Zapier that help bring your automation ideas to life. Now, let's proceed by selecting one of your Zaps or creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. Within your selected Zap, click on App to start editing it. This will take you to a page where you can choose an action app. In this instance, look for and select Formatter by Zapier. Formatter is a versatile tool that enables you to transform data within your Zaps. Next, you'll want to select an action event. This is a key decision point as it determines what you want the formatter to do. Since we're focusing on working with dates and times, click on Choose an Event and scroll to find Work with Dates and Times. Choosing this option will allow you to reformat dates, perform date math, and much more. With this selection, we'll be able to utilize all the tools necessary to handle date information effectively. Once you've set up the event, you'll get various options for configuring how you want the date and time to be formatted. This could involve converting date formats from one style to another, or more complex operations like adding or subtracting days or months. This setup will ensure your dates and times are formatted just how you need them in your workflows. It's a simple yet integral part of operating efficiently within the Zapier ecosystem. With these steps, you now have the foundational knowledge to start using the datetime formatter effectively. Take some time to experiment and explore other functionalities within Formatter, as they can open up even more possibilities for automation. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're now ready to start working with dates and times in Zapier effortlessly. Remember, automation is all about saving time and reducing manual efforts, so take full advantage of what Zapier has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating!